Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Madhuri. If you are watching my videos for the first time, then welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna review a brush set. The brush set is BH Cosmetics brush set. The brush set has 13 brushes. So if you are a beginner, you can buy it. I bought it from Cups and Lashes app. You can also find this brush set in Amazon, and you can buy it from any Instagram store. Before this video, I already placed two videos about the brush set. One was the Cups and Lashes brushes, and one other any eye brushes. I forget the name. So you can check out also this video. I also link it down in this description box. And please comment below about my look, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon for my new videos notification. If you are interested about my look, how I achieve this makeup look using this brush set, then please keep on watching. For primer, I am using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. This is a silicone based primer. I have open pores around my nose area, so I am applying this primer. Now for foundation, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Matte Cover Foundation in the shade 106 Sun Beige. This is a little bit lighter for my skin tone. Apply करते हैं, then फिर देखते हैं. Because of this is a review video of a brush set, so I am applying the foundation with this brush. The number of brush is 3. This is like a foundation brush. So I am applying this for blending my foundation. So this is number 3, and this is like a flat top brush. This is a bristles. Now for covering my dark circle, I am using an orange corrector, which is from LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can use it before applying the foundation or after applying the foundation. Now for highlighting all over my face, I am using the Swiss Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade 06. The brush set does not have any concealer brush, so I blend with this in the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I personally love to blend the concealer with any brushes. You know that I always use the PSC concealer brush, but this is a review video of BH Cosmetic brush, so I don't want to use this concealer brush. See, I am using the W7 Sheer Loose Powder to set my under eyes, and I apply it with the BH Cosmetics brush. This is the number 4. This is a thin brush, so I am applying with this 4 number brush. Whenever you apply the concealer, always set your concealer with the loose powder. I also use this loose powder to set my eye base. This is superb. Now for setting my full face, I am using the L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact and apply it with the Beige Cosmetics number 2 brush. Now for eyeshadow, I am using the Folklore Endless Possible Still eyeshadow palette. For transition, I am using the Hottie in the shade Hottie on my transition color, and I am applying it with the Beige Cosmetics 5 number brush. Next, I am using the shade Plum Baby on my crease line, and apply it with the Beige Cosmetics brush number 8. This is a flat blending brush. Again, I am blend whole color with this number 5 brush. Now I am applying the shade Barbie on my inner eyelid to middle eyelid. This is a little bit lighter color, and for this applying I am using the Beige Cosmetics brush number 7. Whenever you apply the shimmery color, then you can use your finger, so I am applying it with my fingers. It gives you more pigmentation on your application place. Now for outer eyelid, I am using the shade Ruby. This is a little more darker than my previous color. I am applying this color Ruby with the brush number 6. Brush number 6, I am using this. Just a little bit darkness on my outer eyelid. The black shadow on this palette is not so pigmented or not so good, so be careful whenever you apply this black eyeshadow. This is little bit patchy and a little bit tough to apply on the right way. Now for little bit of shimmer, I am using the Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust. Again I am using the flat brush on the BH Cosmetics brush set. Now for eyeliner I am using the gel liner, which is from the Maybelline Eye Studio, the Maybelline gel liner, and I am applying with the brush number 12. This is the eyeliner brush, you can see it. This is little bit thick in size, so be careful whenever you apply this eyeliner with this brush, so be careful. You can't create thin eyeliner with this brush, so be careful whenever you apply the thick liner look, then you can use this liner brush, otherwise you skip it. Personally I don't like the angle eyeliner brush, so I prefer a straight line brush. It is truly tough for using the eyeliner, so I don't like it, and it is too much complicated to apply an gel eyeliner, so I don't recommend this eyeliner brush. Now for smudging my lower lash line I am using the black eyeshadow, and I smudged this lower lash line with the number 10 brush. Now for brightening my eyes, I am applying the white kajal in my waterline. This is the Rimmel white kajal. For mascara, I am using the Forever 52 mascara. Now for eyebrow, I am using the Sugar Cosmetics Brow Definer. Today I am using the spoolie from the BH Cosmetic brush set. And this is the number 13. This is a spoolie, so this is a little bit hard, so be careful. Now for contouring my face, I am using the Sugar Cosmetics mini bronzer in the shade number 2 Woody Wonder, and I am applying it with the number 4 brush. It is not visible too much on my skin tone, so you can avoid it if you have a medium skin tone as my skin tone. Now for nose contouring, I am using the brush in the brush number 9. The 9. This is a nose contouring. This is an angled brush, and this is a little bit fluffy, so I am using it for my nose contouring. Now for powder blush, I am using the Nails USA Cheer Up Baked Blush, and I am applying it with the brush number 1. This is a powder or blush brush. Now for setting my entire face, I am using the Makeup Revolution Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. Now for glow, I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. and I am applying it with the number 4 brush. So now this is the time for the lipstick, so I will be right back. So this is the complete look with the brush set Beach Cosmetics. If you are a beginner, you can use this brush set for your makeup. It has face brushes, it has eye brushes. So comment me and share your thoughts about my looks about this brush. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook page also. All the social links are listed down in my description box, then please check out that. And if you want to see my another video, then you can visit my channel and also go to my videos option, and also you can find my playlist. This is I link it down in my description box, so you can check out that. So thank you for watching my videos and take care. Bye bye, love you all, and see you in the next video.